And the race on Golden Money, D of J, Danori inside Pure Energy. Angel Sky, Danori inside Prince Dugo and Typhoon Doring. Golden Money by some 2 lengths followed by D of Jade. And racing in third by some 3 lengths Pure Energy, Angel Sky, Prince Dugo and Typhoon Doring. Inside the last 700, Golden Money from the outside, D of Jade, Danori inside moves up. It's the of Jade, Golden Money fighting it out for the lead. And racing in third, Pure Energy, Prince Dugo, Angel Sky. As they race the last 500, Golden Money, D of Jade fighting it out for the lead. As they race the final corner, Golden Money by a length and a half, D of Jade and Prince Dugo, Danori inside, Pure Energy, Angel Sky. Golden Money, D of Jade in the middle, fighting back, and Angel Sky on the outside. D of Jade, Angel Sky, Prince Dugo, Angel Sky is on the outside, moves up, and finally, it's going to be Prince Dugo. Angel Sky, D of Jade, goes Pure Energy, Golden Money, Typhoon Doring.